round shaped circles, and this is the distance between from the center and to this line, and we can call it like OA. This is the name, and this is basic circle. Example like ball, earth, or any wheel, or many things we see around us almost look like this circle. And circle have some basic properties, so we're going to learn today. So this is the distance between the two border, or the highest distance between a circle and from the center, and this is called a radius. The radius is actually from this side, this from the center to the circumference line, and this is center O and radius OA, and the same distance between from O to anywhere. Like this is O, and if I give you this in a brief, like in a place, each point of the circle is set an equal distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. Now center of the circle O, and here the circles again, this is the radius OA, and the distance from the center of any point on the circle is called the radius. The distance from the center to any point on the circle, right? So this is our, we can consider this is the any point around us, so we can take this from there or from the center, anywhere you can take, so it will be the radius. And radius is OA or OB, anything you give a name to this, AC, anything you can give it. Now this is radius, and it's almost same to everywhere, and from the center, and this is AB. This is the highest distance, and it is called diameters, right? So radius and diameters. So for diameters is the highest distance, diameters is the highest distance of the circle. Like from anywhere you can, it should be go from, it should cross at least from the center line. So this is the place, from this place to this place is a circle's radius, half radius, and it's called diameters. So we can take it like AB equals to 2R. If we consider anything like this one is R from the center to the circle, and again O to B, it's also R, so AB equals to 2R. Now you will understand it after solving the maths, so keep patient. And this is the circumferences. As we all know, this area, this line is called circumferences, right? So this is the area, and this is the actual line that we see here. The length of the circle or the distance around it is called the circumferences of the circle. So the distance, if we cut this from any point, and we will see a straight line almost, and if like you have a ring or wire, if you have a small wire and you make it a circle, then if we fold again unfold it, so we will get a straight line. So this is the actual circumferences, and right. So this is the basic definitions. First we learn about the radius, then diameter, then circumferences, right? CR we can say, and then center of circle, right? Now again let's give some brief of it. A line segment whose both the ends touch the circumferences and pass through the center is called as diameter. Like diameter, if I give you the actual definition, the line segment which cross the center, there is our center, and touch the circumferences and on the both side of the circumferences, like from anywhere, like this. If we draw from the side, like this side, and it's end here, and against end the both side of circumferences, and it cross from the center, so we call it as a circumferences, or diameters, right? Now relation between radius and diameters, and if you see, this is our radius and OA, and again we add another OB. So that, as I earlier mentioned, that radius equals to diameter divided by 2, like as it says, OB by 2. Now example, if the diameter of the circle is 10 meter, for suppose this is our center and here is the diameter, they give us the diameter, right? Diameter is 10 centimeters, so it's mean diameter from this side to this side is how much? It's 10 centimeter. Now they are asking me to find its radius, like they are asking me to find this portion, right? So this is our O, and so definitely we divide by 2, so because it's half side there and half side there, so So it will be 5. Now let's show you how. O, first let me erase this thing, and here is the OA, OB, and this is diameter, and we divide it by 2, and it's equal to 5. Now example like this, if the radius of the circle is 6 cm, then find out the diameter of the circle. What they is asking for, this, if this is our center point and they giving us the radius is 6 cm. So this is 6 cm, and this is our O point, and this is AO. And if they are asking for me to calculate this OB portion, so definitely this will be the 6, and the both, I mean the total distance will be the our diameters. So this will be the 12, right? 6 plus 6 equals to 12, right? So as they will do the same things, and 6 equals to 12. And relationship between the circumferences and diameters, right? This is also very important concept. So if this is a diameter and this is our circumferences, then circumference equals to 3 into diameters approx, right? I mean this circumferences is actually the 3 times of the diameters approximately. So if this is the value, if this is a 10 centimeter, 10 cm our diameter, then circumferences will be around 30 centimeters. Now find out the circumferences of the whose diameter is 10. So definitely, as I mentioned, it will be 30. Now evaluation. What is the relations between radius and diameters of the circle? Definitely it's equals to, the radius equals to, if we consider radius r and diameter d, so then radius equals to half of the diameter. Or if you consider like again another way, so d is equals to 2r, I mean radius, 2 into radius, diameter. Now what is the relation between the circumferences of diameters of the circle? The relation between the circumferences and diameter, as I said, it's already given to you. Now this is obviously 3 if we consider c for circumferences and diameter d, then definitely circumferences will be 3d. And in this figure they are asking for what they are asking for. Let's see, OA and OB is equal, definitely is equal. OA and OB, OA, the distance of OA equals to the distance of OB, so equal, right? Or this is our radius obviously, and AB is AB, if we said this is the AB, then AB is a diameter, and both are equals, and this is a radius. So now we move on to the next. O is the center of the circle. So this is all about from my side, and this is the basics of circle, and we will go further in the level like to find out the area and all. So keep watching and make sure you subscribe to learn more about maths and all. I used to post daily videos, so keep watching on them. Thanks for watching.